6-year-old Hafsa is paralyzed by polio. Her parents chose not to vaccinate her 5 years ago, and now Hafsa must suffer the consequences of their decision.
People here say that the polio drops are dangerous, which is why we hid this child from polio workers. It's just fate, and now her legs aren't working anymore.
Misinformation and myths about polio vaccine persuaded thousands of Pakistanis to refuse the simple vaccinations that could protect their children. As a result, Pakistan and Afghanistan remain the only countries where cases of wild polio virus type 1 are still reported. Dr. Aftab Ahmed heads the Polio Emergency Center in Pakistan's Balochistan province.
All the children we have reported are those who were hidden during the polio campaign. Parents hide their children and claim that they are not at home.
Over 5,000 parents in Balochistan province refused polio vaccines for their children during the last campaign, according to the regional health department. The reasons are all too familiar to health workers who encounter parents who oppose the vaccine, like Abdullah, who refused to give his last name due to societal pressures.
We have heard that children who receive these drops may not be able to have children in the future, and we've also heard that the drops can cause disabilities. We tell the team to mark the children, but we cannot let them take the drops.
Officials in the provincial health department have found some polio workers marking children as vaccinated without giving the vaccine. As a result, 70 workers were dismissed. Some of the parents refused the vaccine because of religious concerns.
There is a category of people who have religious doubts, questioning where this vaccination is made, how it is made, and how it reaches our children. Another group has concerns related to medical science.
Things are no different across the border in Afghanistan. Raz Muhammad, a tailor in Nangarhar, Afghanistan, is partially paralyzed in his left leg due to polio. As the sole provider for his family of 10, he struggles to pedal his sewing machine because of weakness in his leg.
Polio vaccination is something that is verified by the international community. It is something necessary and should be given. People should help the vaccinators instead of turning them down.
Muhammad and Hafsa both have wild polio virus type 1. This year so far, 39 new cases have been reported in Pakistan and 18 in Afghanistan. That's up from the total of 12 reported in 2023. And while Hafsa lives with paralysis caused by polio, her family deals with feelings of guilt.
We feel regret when we see other children who can walk and play while she cannot do anything. If people vaccinate their children, the benefits are significant while the risks are virtually none.
Afghanistan and Pakistan are the two remaining countries where wild polio virus type 1 is reported. 2 other strains of wild polio virus type 2 and 3 have been fully eradicated worldwide. For Murtaza Zahri in Quetta, Pakistan, and Abu Bakr Alizai in Jalalabad, Afghanistan, Bejan Hamdard, VOA News.